Hello, hi, good day, bonjour, comment ça va bien, or should I say ça va monsieur? My name is Mr. Darotondra, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thanks for getting back to my channel again. Today, I will be assisting you on how to do Unisa online application for the year 2024. So you type Unisa online application 2024 and then you hit enter and then it will take you to the link that will lead you to the Unisa page. Now on the first link that is written apply for administration 2024 Unisa, you click there and then it will take you to Unisa dashboard or desk. Is it desktop or dashboard? I think it's dashboard, right? And then when it takes you there, you will need to understand that there is a part of registration or registering sorry application and also my Unisa. So we are gonna go for the part that says application. Now this is the Unisa dashboard. Now as you can see, we've got part of about administration, categories, research, news, library. There's a lot, right? Um, Now the part that I want you to go for is the apply and not the register or my Unisa. You either click apply up there or you come down here where it says apply for admission 2024. It will do the same, okay? So now you have to come down here for the applying for the admission 2024 because this one, yeah, apply or register, they will all take you back down here. It's one and the same thing. All right, now I think my system is working slow. Just give me a moment, and then you come down here. Now you click undergraduate. Now on the undergraduate, you need to scroll down, and then you find start process. Start the process. You click on the start the process, and then it will direct you to another page. Let's wait for the system as it's responding. You know, when the applications are about to close, there's overcrowding on the system. You scroll down again on the, and then you go to proceed to ODEL, and then you take you to this page, and then you scroll down a little bit. Here, there is apply now. Then there is choose qualification. Choose qualification is when you are continuing, having done the other qualifications, or you are proceeding with the qualification that you have been doing. So we're gonna go with the apply now. Now apply for the admission to study application 2, and then there's a lot. There is status where you can check your status, appeal, other there's a lot, but where I want you to go is on the undergraduate, not postgraduate or diploma and the honors. You go for undergraduate because the postgraduate is for the people that have been studying there, they are continuing with their qualifications. So we go for postgraduate. On this application tool, if you have got a student number, you will say yes, but if you don't have any student number, you will say no if it's the first time. Now once you click no, it will redirect you to this next page where you will have to enter your surname and also your name, your year of birth, month of birth, as well as the date of birth. So as I enter this site, make sure that you also entering on your side. Then you click continue, and then it will take you to this page. You read throughout the options, whether you are a SA citizen, completed grade 12, not completed grade 12, still in grade 12, completed NCV, national, certificate and vocational. And then if you are still in grade 12, you'll click still currently studying in grade 12, right? But if you are completed NCV, maybe you're from the college, you will then click completed national certificate and vocational. Unless maybe you've completed something else, you choose amongst the options, and then you click, and then you continue. So I'm gonna go with this one for now, and then I will continue. You will go with the one that you are to go with, and then you click continue, and then it will take you to this part whereby you will have to choose the college you are to study, the categories. Now with the college, one thing you need to know is that they are speaking about is it the faculty that you want to study, is it IT, law, agricultural, depending on the list, right? But I think for now, for the sake of a registering part, I think I will have to go with information technology, right? IT. If I want to do IT, I will come here, and then category. Is it degree, honors, master's, diploma, advanced diploma, sorry, diploma. Depending on what you want to select, you will then therefore go and select according to how you want. Okay. And then the last part it will select for you. So you are given two options to choose from what you want to study at Unisa. So if the first field or the first one college you want to study it's full, then you will have a second choice to go with. So make sure you do both of them. Okay, this one actually it's close for now. Let's go for something like diploma maybe. I'm sorry. There we go. And then down here it will select already for us. We just select, there we go, and then click continue. We're almost done. We'll be almost done, not much left. Hey, the last time I did a tutorial and I put all my credentials online, and then that video was pulled down, so I would need to be careful here. So check the details, all of your details and the subjects and the courses you wanted to study are proper, and then you click continue. And then from here, the initial, the surname, and the ID and the stuff. I won't do this time around, because the last time I do it, I was in trouble. So I'm gonna stop here for this tutorial sake. So if you are having any challenge moving forward, you will let me know on the comment section. I will assist you. I will help you on furthering. My name is Mzedaro Tondwa. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Keep on subscribing, sharing, commenting. That will mean a lot. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you've got much of the question, you'll pause it up for me, and then I'll come back and explain to you. Thank you.